Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a healthy day. And talking about health, want to talk about this hand sanitizer. Now I know hand sanitizers were very difficult for a while out there to get, and it still may be difficult for some of you to get, but today you can get access to this medical grade hand sanitizer by a company called Calm by Wellness. I have tried their other products, and what their other products are CBD products. They're US based. They're very particular about the quality of the products they put out there, and they've got all sorts of reporting to show you the quality of the product. And this is one that I definitely would recommend if you are concerned about germs, because you really want an effective hand sanitizer. So I'm going to put a link in the description where you could check it out. So I appreciate you clicking on that to get the information, and then you can see the other products that they have. Also, I appreciate a thumbs up on this video. If you find this is of help to you, subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciate that. And also click on the bell icon so you can get updates when I put new videos out. But as far as the hand sanitizer, it's made in the USA, and it's a formulated to follow the guidelines of and recommended choices from the CDC, FDA, and the World Health Organization. Now, as far as the ingredients, it has ethyl alcohol, 80% ethyl alcohol, and hydrogen peroxide, 1%. So there you go. And again, when you go to the website, you can get more information. Really nice bottle. This is 4 ounces. It's $8.95. It is available right now. Now, what is unique about this hand sanitizer versus a lot of them out there, this is a liquid hand sanitizer. You might find many are gel. So you just put, some on your hand there. There you go. It's got a, not too bad of a smell. You definitely smell the alcohol. But again, most importantly, when you're out there, whether you're pumping gas, and even we're going through this coronavirus, but beyond this, this is good to, keep in your pocket, keep in your car. So when you are pumping your gas or whatever it is you're touching, this would be a great way to go. So do check it out today. If you're using it, leave any comments how it's working. Appreciate the company sending this to me. I am impressed with the quality that you put together, the guidelines that you follow. And what I also like about the company is it's grown with love in Loveland, Colorado. Made in USA, 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Check it out today. Check out their other products as well. They've got a really nice website. They've got a number of different products. They've got CBD oils, gummies, topicals, and of course, you've got the hand sanitizer. So be safe. Use a good hand sanitizer. Check out this medical grade one. Really appreciate it. And Calm by Wellness, great job as always. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.